Emotional connection often develops through meaningful conversation that explores thoughts, perspectives, and personal experiences. When conversation consistently remains superficial, emotional engagement often becomes limited. Limited engagement often influences perceived connection quality. Depth often creates psychological closeness through shared understanding and mutual curiosity. Curiosity often reflects willingness to explore ideas beyond surface-level topics. Surface-level interaction often limits emotional involvement. One noticeable pattern appears when personal topics are frequently redirected toward lighter conversation themes. Redirection often signals reduced comfort with emotional exploration. Emotional exploration often strengthens relational connection. Meaningful conversation often includes openness to discussing perspectives, experiences, and interpretations. Openness often communicates trust and psychological availability. Availability often influences connection strength. Another subtle change appears when deeper questions receive brief or vague responses. Vague responses often reduce conversational progression. Reduced progression often limits emotional bonding opportunities. Depth often requires willingness to engage with topics that reveal personality and internal perspective. Perspective sharing often strengthens emotional familiarity. Familiarity often strengthens connection quality. Another pattern appears when humor becomes primary method of avoiding meaningful topics. Humor often shifts attention away from emotional exploration. Reduced exploration often limits connection development. Emotional connection often grows through balanced exchange of meaningful thoughts and experiences. Balanced exchange often creates psychological closeness. Closeness often strengthens attraction. Consistent superficial interaction often prevents deeper emotional familiarity from developing naturally. Familiarity often influences perception of compatibility. Compatibility often shapes relational dynamics. Attraction often remains stronger when communication includes curiosity, openness, and meaningful exchange. Meaningful exchange often sustains emotional engagement over time. Engagement often sustains attraction.